dress by Sun Fashions. Check out the ruching at the waist. It's a 36 bust, and obviously the waist is very flexible. And it cinches down to 24 like this, naturally, and then stretches with ease all the way to at least 30 with ease. So, it's a 34-36 bust. It's perfect, it's adorable, it's just a beautiful vintage dress in every way. I love it. Love the color, love the pattern, and just the details, the feminine details, like this fitted, beautiful sleeve. Love that. So this is the label, and it's a 55.5 in length. So this dress is a 42 in length. It's a 22 sleeve. It is